Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss remaining part of chapter 15. Exercise 15.2. Question first. Radius of a circle is 7 centimeter and angle subtended at the center is 60 degree. Find the length of a arc. In this question, first we write given part. Given part, radius equals 7 centimeter, r is given, and theta is given 60 degree. Find the length of the arc. Length of the arc find. We know that according to identity, length of the arc is 2 pi r theta divided by 360 degree, or 360 cancel out by 2 180 time. It means this identity write as well as pi r theta divided by 180. Okay, according to this identity we put all the values. Value of r radius, value of theta 60 degree in this identity. So 2 as it is, pi equal, we know that 22 upon 7, r means radius is given 7, theta is given 60 degree. Solve, cancel out, 0 cancel out, 6 times 7 cancel out. It means for calculation this part we get length of the arc is 7.3 centimeter. 7.3 centimeter. Answer. Next question. Question number second. Radius of a circle is 10.5 centimeter and the angle of sector is 45 degree. R is given 10.5 centimeter, angle theta is given 45 degree. Find the area of the minor sector of a circle. Here we used pi equal 22 upon 7. R is given, mention given values. R is given 10.5 centimeter, angle theta is given 45 degree. Area of sector, we know that according to identity, area of sector is identity pi r square theta divided by 360 degree. Pi 22 upon 7, r square means r multiply by r is 10.5 into 10.5, multiply theta, value of theta is 45 degree, divided by 360 as it is. Okay. For calculate this part we get area of sector. Area of sector we get 43.31 centimeter square. Here area mention, so unit mention square, centimeter square, meter then meter square. Okay, area of sector this part is 43.31 centimeter square is a answer. Next question. Question number 3. The length of an arc and radius of a circle. Length of arc is L and radius of circle is R, is 12 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively. Okay, then find the area of minor sector of circle. It means length of arc L is given, first write given part, and radius is given 7 centimeter. According to length of arc and radius. Okay, according to length of arc and radius, identity of area of minor sector is half multiply L into R, half multiply length of arc into radius. Okay. Direct identity, half as it is, L is 12 and 7 is given, R is given 7, cancel out, 6 multiply 7, 42 centimeter square. Therefore area of minor sector is 42 centimeter square. Answer. Next part. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 10.5 centimeter. Find the area of the sector swept by the minute hand in 10 minutes. Length of minute hand clock. Length of minute hand clock is given 10.5 centimeter. We let this length is a radius of sector. This length is a radius of a sector. So radius of sector is 10.5 centimeter. Then angle subtended by this end in 60 minutes. Angle subtended this end according to clock. Angle subtended from 1 hour or 60 minutes. In 1 hour complete rotation. Complete rotation means complete angle 360 degree. In 60 minute angle 360 degree. Okay, according to that condition, angle subtended by this end in 1 minute. In 60 minute 360 degree. In 1 minute 360 divided by 60. And according to given question condition, angle in 10 minute. So angle in 10 minute multiply by 10, cancel out, it means angle is 60 degree. We get angle 60 degree. Okay. Now here R is 10.5 centimeter, theta is 60 degree. Find area of the sector swept by the minute hand. Okay, area of sector. Area of sector swept in a 10 minute. Area of sector, we know that according to previous question identity, pi r square theta divided by 360 degree. Pi 22 upon 7, r 10.5, so 10.5 into 10.5 divided by 360, and value of theta, we get value of theta is a 60 degree. Okay, calculate that part. We get area of sector 57.57 centimeter square. 57.57 centimeter square is a answer. Next question, question number 7. The circumference of a circle is 22 centimeter. Circumference is a 22 centimeter. Circumference means 2 pi r. We know that circumference of circle 2 pi r. 2 pi r is 22. Find the area of its one quadrant. One quadrant means fourth part. Quadrant means fourth part. Okay, then circumference is 22. Circumference means 2 pi r. Then 2 pi r equal 22 given. Here we calculate value of r. 2 as it is, pi equal 22 upon 7 equal 22. Okay, this transferring on right hand side, other side. So here we get value of r is 7 divided by 2. 7 upon 2 centimeter. 7 upon 2 centimeter. According to question, find area of its one quadrant. Okay, area of circle. Area of circle is a pi r square. We know. Then its fourth quadrant means divided by 4. So divided by 4. Okay. Put here value of pi and r. Pi equal 22 upon 7. R is we get 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 multiply 7 by 2 divided by 4. Calculate. Here we calculate. We get value. Area of its quadrant is 9.625 centimeter square is a answer. Okay. Next question. 15.3 exercise, question first. Find the area of the incircle of square. Area of incircle of square. It means first, according to this given condition, first we draw diagram. Area of the incircle of square. It means circle inside a square. Circle inside a square with side 14 centimeter. Square side is given 14 centimeter. So we know that in square all sides are equal. Therefore 14, this one is 14, this one is also 14, and this one is also 14. Okay, and in circle, okay, and circle inside it, circle inside it. Okay, here let O is a center or fixed point, O to a radius. Okay, according to this circle, this one is total A to B. A to B is diameter and radius is half of diameter. It means 14. 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 means 14 divided by 2 7, and 7 is radius of a circle. 7 is radius of a circle. Okay, so R equal 14 divided by 2 7. 7 is radius of circle. Okay, area, so circumference of circle. Circumference of circle, why we use here circumference of circle? Because we calculate area of in circle of square. In circle of square means area of a total part, means perimeter, and perimeter is a circumference. Okay, perimeter is circumference. Then we used circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is a 2 pi r. 2 pi equal 22 upon 7. R is 7 centimeter we calculate. So 7 cancel out. 22 multiply by 2, 44 centimeter. Therefore area of in circle of square is 44 centimeter. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. The difference between the circumference and the radius of circle is 74. Find the area of a circle. Okay, area of circle calculate. Given in question, difference between circumference and radius. Circumference and radius, and their difference is given 74. Write as it is. We know circumference of circle is 2 pi r, radius r as it is, equal 74 as it is. Here we taking common part is r, then remaining part 2 pi minus 1, 2 pi minus 1 equal 74 as it is. R as it is, 2 as it is, pi, value of pi 22 upon 7, minus 1 as it is, 74 as it is. Okay, R as it is, taking LCM is 7, then 2 multiply 22 means 44 minus 7, okay, equal 74 as it is. Here we calculate value of R means 74 as it is, 7 multiply transferring on other side, 44 minus 7 means 37. Okay, 74 cancel out by 37 2 time, it means 7 into 2, 14 centimeter. Therefore we get radius is 14 centimeter. Okay, now at last we calculate, find the area of a circle. Area of circle means area of circle, we calculate value of R 14 centimeter. So area of circle means we know that identity pi r square, pi equal 22 upon 7, r is calculate 14. So put here r equal 14 into 14. 7 cancel out by 14 2 time, 22 into 2 into 14. So we get area of circle is 616 centimeter square. Answer 616 centimeter square. Next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, in figure a circle with center O. Circle with center O. According to that figure, and angle OAB is given 90 degree. OA 3 centimeter, O2A is given 3 centimeter, OA is radius and OB is also radius. So OA equal OB, 3 and 3 centimeter given. Then find area of shaded region. Area of a shaded region. Shaded region means calculate area of that part. Okay, that shaded part. So area of shaded region. Area of shaded region means according to identity area of major sector. Area of major sector means segment pi r square theta divided by 360 minus half r square sin theta minus half r square sin theta. Okay, area of a segment of a circle. Okay, and major segment means pi r square theta divided by 360 minus half r square sin theta. Pi 22 upon 7, r means given 3 centimeter, 3 multiply by 3, theta is given here 90 degree divided by 360 as it is, minus as it is, half as it is, r square means 3 multiply by 3 sin theta means theta is given 90 degree, so sin 90 degree. Okay, calculate this one. For calculate this one, solve minus half into 9 1, and according to trigonometric ratios value of sin 90 degree equal 1. So put here sin 90 degree equal 1. Okay, calculate that part. It means we get 7.0714 minus 4.5. So we get answer is 2.57 centimeter square. 2.57 centimeter square is a answer. It means area of shaded region. Area of that shaded region is 2.57 centimeter square is a answer. Okay. Next part. If a perimeter of circle is equal to the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of circle means perimeter means circumference na, perimeter or circumference same. Perimeter of circle is equal to perimeter of square. It means perimeter of circle, we know that perimeter of circle means circumference of circle is 2 pi r, and perimeter of square is 4 into side. Okay, first condition given. Then find the ratio of their areas. Okay, so here we calculate any one value. We calculate r or we calculate s. Okay, any one. We calculate one value, r or s. Okay, so we calculate here r is 4 into side, yani 4 into s, as it is 2 pi divided. Okay, r equal 4s divided by 2 pi first. Then find ratio of their areas. Ratio of their areas means first circle given, so area of circle divided by second square is given, then area of a square. Okay, area of circle we know that pi r square, and area of square is also we know that side square means side into side. Okay, put here r, value of r is 4s divided by 2 pi. Equation first, equation second. Okay, so here we write by equation first and equation second. Okay, understood? R equal 4s upon 2 pi, equation first, equation second pi r square upon side square. So by equation first and second, by equation first put r equal 4s upon 2 pi in equation second, pi as it is r square. R square means r means 4s upon 2 pi, 4s upon 2 pi whole square upon side square as it is. Okay, now pi as it is 4s into 4s means 4 into 4 16, s into s square. 2 pi into 2 pi means 2 into 2 4, pi into pi square, divided by side into side square. Okay, pi cancel out, 16 cancel out 4 by 4 time, and side also cancel out, side square also cancel out by side square. Okay, therefore here we put value of pi is 22 upon 7. It means ratio of their areas we get 14:1. Ratio of their areas 14:1. Ratio of circle is first mention circle, ratio of circle is 14 and ratio of square is 11. So 14:11, 14:11 is answer. Okay, thanks.